going to Tabon Beach.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
So we have to walk going down. Kuya, where are you going? Kuya. So, medyo steep nga siya. Yung pabalik, I don't know kung paano kami papakyat ulit.
So we're here at Nagtaguan Beach. I don't know. This is still in Palawan. That's kind of south. I don't know. And the waves are really, really big. It's high. It's a beach place where surfing is really good. I mean, if you do surf, you could visit this place because the waves are really high. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See? And those are my friends. They're enjoying the waves. And kayo na lang, nandiyan din ako. But I chose to leave my eyeglasses sa table namin because baka mamaya malaglag lang. But I'm still wearing my slippers. Hindi na siya nalalaglag eh. So hopefully hindi siya malaglag. So we're here now. There!
Pero kung bibitawan ha? Ayun na, friend! Pakita mo yung wheel!
Dito tayo sa mataas.
Ayun na! Ganda!
Dito. Ay, ito mag-out, Charlie. Baka malaglag. Parang tanga to.
Pero punta sa malayo!
Hindi kami
Mababasa ka
bitawa.
dyan!
Hindi kami bitawa ko. Gusto ko na makita yung gano'n pagdampi sa akin. Last, yung mataas. Oo. O dito kasi tayo, dito kayo, dito. Bilis. Ang taas, masaya. Yan.
Tapos may pictorial tayong sexy lahat.
Tara. Siguro ka pa.
Sexy lahat, pinari mga calendar girls. Ay, ha?
Ben, wag ganyan! Mabitawan mo na!
Ayun eh. Ang taas ng phone. Itim na nga. Ayan pa! Guys, nalay na ako. Ang taba ko dito. Ano, balik ko na to ah. Good na ako. Oh, mag-picture na kayo. Nalay na ako. Walang yaka. Babalik ko na to ah. Bye, Itches. It's there. ba ano naman na yun? Voice over. So nandito po kami sa Puerto Princesa Baywalk, kung saan napakarami pong kainan at bumili po kami itong shake na avocado na gawa sa powder. Ayan, sobrang dami ng kain dito. So sobrang dami ng tao, if you can see it. Actually, nagpunta na kami dito pero afternoon yun. So hindi namin nakita yung ganito. So, sabi mo, video mo.
Ay, ganun ba?
Video mo.
Ay, ikaw ba? Video
Ano ba ikaw ba bibidyan ko? O go. So ano masasabi mo sa Puerto Princesa? Oh, ay taray, maybe. At least na ano, may maybe tayo. Ay kasi nga handheld lang. Oh. Picture natin sa buong prisma. Ayan.
Patingin muna kung maganda yung... Ito kasi dami-dami mong buhay.
Hi, Johnny. Hey guys, we're here at Casamila Restaurant in Baywalk, Puerto Princesa. So we ordered nasi goreng rice, grilled squid, pakbet, bagnet, and a bucket of bread horse and San Miglay. And this is our last night here at Puerto Princesa in Palawan. So maybe we should enjoy it. Since for the last 3 nights namin, we weren't able to enjoy it because we're so pagod with all of the activities that we had. Especially nung first day namin, we arrived 9. Then we have to transfer po sa
Lagi ka
terminal ng
naman
bus.
tulog lang.
And then, meron nagsaside comment, no? Di ba video ko to? Charot. Natulog kami sa bus, pero matagtag yung bus. And then, nag-arrive kami sa El Nido ng madaling araw. But we were able to sleep a couple of 2 hours. And we had our tour. Then after that, nakapag-chill naman din kami pala that night. So we had bar. Hindi tayo nag-bar. We just had a drink in a nice bar. Mayroon kasing singer doon, acoustic singer. So magaling siya kumanta. And we had 2 rounds of rum or Sprite, and then Red Horse. And then after that, naglakad na kami papunta ng hotel, pero we still ate donut before we go back to the hotel room. Then the next day,
And gelato.
nagpunta kami ng, nag-gelato pa pala, yes. Nag-gelato pa pala na medyo parang hindi naman gelato talaga. And then after that, the next day, we went to Vanilla Beach, no? Vanilla Beach. So that was my first time in Vanilla Beach, so na-enjoy ko naman. Every punta ko dito sa Palawan, lagi ako may na-experience na bago. So, Vanilla Beach, and then after that, napunta na kami ng, nag-lunch pa tayo. So tayo nag-lunch? In Vanilla Beach. Tapos masarap yung inasal nila. And after that, nag-pack na kami going back to Puerto Princesa. But then, ano bang ginawa natin? Madaling araw na rin kami dumating ng Puerto Princesa. The next
Mga
day,
11 something,
no?
11:30.
Ayun, mga 11 something.
11:30.
So pagod pa rin kami. And then, today, yun yung first day namin ng Puerto Princesa. So we were able to go to Nagtabon Beach. Napakaganda ng beach doon, napakaganda ng alon. Nag-enjoy kami, patambling-tambling. At kasama namin dito, yung kasama din namin sa Nagtabon Beach, ayun oh, yung nagtanong kung saan yung resto. Ayun sila, i-ilagay sa camera. Hindi naman tayo pinali. Sila yung kasama namin sa Nagtabon Beach. They were asking for a restaurant if we know a restaurant. View a restaurant.
Are they? Ilabas ko na po agad. Baka they're newlywed.
Ano, you want to, to have the bucket served or later after we eat?
Whatever.
Whatever. Ano nga?
Sige na, serve na lang.
Sige, serve niya. Pero di mo wala lamig. Sige, go. Ayun. So na, dito yung di ba? Taray.
Sila yun.
Nakamotor sila. So, yun, kasama namin sa Nagtabon Beach. Then we ate there, masarap yung food. Tama din naman yung price niya tama din lang daw sa napakalaki ng lugar. So we ate 400 for grilled fish, dalawa na kami. Charlie. And then Mayne had shrimp, of course. And then we
Pancit.
ate, ha?
Pansit pa, diba?
Pancit pa din, yes. Na hindi namin naubos kasi hindi masarap. And
Saka
then,
yung ano,
yung Graham masarap kasi hindi siya masyadong matamis. Pati yung leche flan.
Graham leche flan.
Yes, we enjoyed that. Then after lunch, we swim na sa dagat. Napakaganda ng dagat. Na-enjoy namin. Actually, it's not my plan to swim. Sabi ko nga kanina. Pero napa-enjoy ako ng swim sa wave. Nag-tumbling ako backwards, guys. That was a record. And
Napunit ang yung ano.
oh, yung punit ko, Joe. It's one for the book, so we enjoyed it. Na-enjoy naman namin ang El Nido. Ikaw ba na-enjoy mo yung El Nido and Palawan mo?
Yeah.
Yun, so na-enjoy naman namin. And tomorrow, we'll be going to SM Puerto Princesa. We're gonna buy isang pasalubong kasi nagtitipid kami. Baka mas mura sa supermarket.
Pasalubong na tayo kanina.
Pero nagpasalubong na rin kami kanina. Medyo namahalan sila. Si
Sino?
Mayne 1 plus. Ikaw namahalan ka rin kasi 800 plus yung sa'yo eh.
Ilang piranggot lang.
Ilan lang yung boxes na nabili mo. Napakamahal na talaga ng mga bilihin ngayon, guys. Nakakaloka. Ako naman, nagtipid na ako kasi nakadalawa na ako. 3 beses ko na eh. So most likely lahat ng office mate ko, meron na sila dati pa. And even my family. But my mom is still asking me to buy her a sleepwear na kulay dilaw daw. So let's see if we can find something in SM tomorrow. So, yun guys. That's our El Nido and Puerto Princesa tour. Charot. Adventure, vlog adventure. Siyempre may marami din kayong mga chuchu. Alam di ba?
Mga nagsampalan.
Mga ganun, sampalan, sabunutan, lunudan sa bathtub. Kahit wala naman talagang bathtub sa hotel.
Yung mga panglalasod.
Ganon, naglalason, isip, ganon, pagkain. So yun, masaya naman.
Aba na, maalala mo kaya ba ito?
MMK for today's video. So ito na yung drinks namin. So we're gonna start drinking na. So bye guys. Thank you so much for being with us in the Charot.